Hi everyone, it's Gina with Peonies of America. I just wanted to do a quick video this morning. It's the end of August 2022, summer. We have been in an extreme drought and extreme heat this year. We just received our first rain a week ago and we received over 3 inches all at once. So all my above ground boxes here that you see have received and soaked a good rain, and I've just been out here checking to make sure that I see eyes in my peonies because you can see how they look. I did keep the foliage green up until about 2 weeks ago, and then I just went ahead and let the heat and let them go ahead and start drying up because it's been such an extreme summer on them. I went ahead and let them die back. Now this one here I was going to use as a reference because the stalks are still here. Here's some of the foliage that came off, and it's time to start cutting them back and cleaning them up. And it's only because the summer was so tough. Otherwise I would leave them probably until the end of September. But they've done their thing for the summer. Now this one here, I've just been digging on some of them to check to make sure I see eyes, and there's an eye right there. These are in the above ground boxes that you know that when they're this small, above ground boxes, they dry out a lot quicker, and it's very hard on them. So there it is right there. There's a nice big eye right there. So usually, and the tuber feels really firm, so that's a great sign. Peonies like them dry, more on the moist dry side, because the tuber is kind of like a potato, so you don't want it to get too soggy and mushy. So that's why the above ground boxes for the peonies here for me, they do so well because the roots they get wet, and then the water is flushed away. Planting peonies, it's great to have them up on a mound, so when it does rain, the rain will drain very well. So they don't like to be in a soggy bottom at all. They will not survive. So I've already gone over here and checked the ones in the boxes, and some of them, because of the Gara and the catmint, kept the foliage a little bit greener over here, just because of the shade it had. So some of these are still fairly green, and they look great. And I have dug down in here to find lots of eyes, healthy eyes. I was over here a minute ago and my cat wouldn't leave me alone, so I had to move. But there's actually, this one is starting to grow again for the fall, and they will do that. This one is getting a new root. It's trying to grow. So this is a very healthy plant. It must be a young plant, only has 3 stems. So this is a new stem and a new flower for next year. So I'll just cover that back up because I know it's fine. And then this one here, I had, I don't know if I checked this one or not, but there's an eye right there. Yep, right there. So just that little bit, just a half inch down, I found an eye. So we're good. So I just wanted to come on, and if your peony plants, now I'm in the southern states, grow zone 7B, if they're looking like they are just dead, they're not. It's what's below the surface that counts the most. And anyway, I hope that helps anyone that was worried about their peony plants. They're very resilient, and they're very hardy. They would rather it be a little bit more dry with a little bit of moisture than too much moisture. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye.